how to see your map in Terraria. So as you explore, Terraria automatically uncovers areas the moment you walk through them. So simply moving through new terrain reveals it on your map. But to actually open your map, press the map toggle key. So the default is the letter M on your keyboard. So that's the default toggle key of the map. So just basically tap it to toggle the full screen view of your map, and you can zoom in and zoom out by using your scroll wheel. So scroll wheel up zooms in, scroll wheel down zooms out, just like that. And you could use your left click, then hold it out to drag out the map, just like that. So when you zoom in, you could check out details like some icons right there, or any markers that you've put. And you could also navigate straight to bases, chests, or biomes that you have tagged. So one thing that trips people up, lighting torches or building walls doesn't reveal the map by itself. So you basically have to walk through an area first, explore, then check your map. And that's how you basically see your map in Terraria.